you might give us a blessing for the day. Thank you.
Very good, Your Worship. Kia ora everybody. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga, kia mā kine kuta, kia mā taratara ki tai. E hia ki ana te atakura, he tio, he hoka, he hauhu, haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Very good. Kia ora everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the Ordinary Council meeting of December, being slightly early because of that time of the year, being Tuesday the 10th of December. Just before I'd like to get underway, I'd just like to think about our fellow colleagues in the Taupo District Council at this time. The recent events brought it home to us that we do sit on the same caldera here, so it's a timely reminder of how fragile things can be at times. So just ask for those deceased. Obviously, a lot of internationals from all parts of the world involved, as well as locals, and the fatalities. So it's very, very sad. And you know, obviously we're a district of tourism operators as well, so we think about them today. But if we could just have a minute's silence, please, just to acknowledge or you know, think about the ones that passed before us, and those injured too, that are critically injured, and the emergency services, all the people involved. Thank you. Okay, thank you, councillors, and good afternoon, members of the public. Nice to see you, and staff and members of the press. Great to have you with us this afternoon. Item 1, apologies. Look around the room, there's a full house, so that's all good.